Good morning, everybody. This is Toddler Time. I'm Ray from the Great Falls Public Library, and this is an early literacy program for babies and toddlers up to about 2.5 years old. And today we are going to be talking about some trains and fire trucks and dump trucks and all kinds of awesome construction trucks. In this wonderful book, it's called Construction Site by Jill McDonald. So, are you ready? Well, let's get started. So we're going to start with the good morning train. So for the good morning train, I need your help. I need you to do a nice big loud train whistle for me like this. Choo, choo. You help me? Let's try it. Let's practice one more time. Here we go. Choo, choo. You got it. All right, here we go. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. Good morning to everyone. How are you? Choo, choo. Good morning to everyone. How are you? Choo, choo. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. How are you? Choo, choo. Good job. All right. So next time you see a train, maybe you could sing that song. That would be fun. Yeah, right. So let's take a second. We're gonna sing our fire truck song, but let's take a second to thank our firefighters because oh my goodness, are they working so hard to protect us right now? Thank you. Let's give them a round of applause. Let's drive the fire truck. Here we go. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Good job. Let's turn some corners. Here we go. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Ding, 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 ding. Good job. Let's put the ladder up and we're gonna climb up the ladder. Here we go. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Ding, 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 ding. Get the fire hose. We're going to put out that fire. Here we go. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Ding, 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 ding. Good job, guys. You put out the fire. Oh, no. Do you hear that? There's another fire alarm. There's another fire. We need to drive really, really fast. Go put out that one too. Here we go. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the ding, ding. Good job. Spray the fire hose really, really fast. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Hurry, hurry, spray the fire hose. Ding, 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 ding. Good job. You got both of those fires. Fabulous work. High five. Let's drive slowly back to the station. Here we go. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Slowly, slowly back to the station. Ding, 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 ding. Good job, guys. All right. Let's sing the I'm a Little Dump Truck song. So the last few weeks, we have been talking about how you can take the music from a song, so what a song sounds like, and you can change the words, so you can change what it means. So this I'm a Little Dump Truck song is to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. So let's sing I'm a Little Teapot, and then we'll sing our dump truck song. Do you know I'm a Little Teapot? Here we go. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamy, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Good job. All right. So our dump truck song, we can roll all the way back and back forward if it's safe for us to do that. So take a look behind you. What's back there? If you roll back, will you hit the wall? Will you hit the furniture? If not, we're good to go. Here we go. I'm a great big dump truck full of rocks. Here is my engine, here is my box. When the crew is ready, hear me shout. Pull the lever and dump me out. Good job. Let's do it one more time because that was so fun. Here we go. I'm a great big dump truck full of rocks. Here is my engine, here is my box. When the crew is ready, hear me shout. Pull the lever and dump me out. Yay! And as always, those songs come from Jay Bury. They're amazing. Check them out here on YouTube. Let's read this book, Construction Site by Jill McDonald. Oh my goodness, what do you see on the cover? There's a bunch of trucks. I wonder if they'll tell us what each different kind of truck is called. Let's find out. Clank, vroom, boom. What's that noise? We're at the construction site. Put on your hard hat and let's go. Construction workers wear hard hats to protect their heads. Very important. Push! Bulldozers clear the land, moving rocks and rubble out of the way. Tracks around the wheels help it crawl on uneven ground. The big metal plate in the front is called the blade. So, what kind of truck is this? It's a bulldozer. Now let's think about all the different kinds of trucks, and then maybe at the end you can decide which one is your favorite. The dump truck hauls rubble away to a dumping site. The box at the back, hey, we just sang about that, tilts to pour out all the things inside. We did that too, didn't we? Tip, look, and all of the rocks are falling out. The largest dump truck in the world is so big you need stairs to get into it. Wow, that's one big dump truck. Everything is cleared and it's time for the excavator to do its work. Scoop. It's like a great big scoop, like a spoon or a soup ladle. It has a long arm with a bucket on the end, which makes big holes in the ground. An excavator is also called a digger. Munch, munch, it's time for lunch. The food truck has rolled up to the site and everyone is hungry. What will you order? So what will you choose? There's some ice cream or pizza or hot dogs or tacos. Which one do you want for lunch? A food truck is a restaurant on wheels. Roll, 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 roll. The heavy drum of the steamroller slowly revolves, flattening everything below. Steamrollers make the ground firm and strong. Spin. What's on the back of this mixer? It's concrete. The large drum goes around and around to keep the concrete wet until it's ready to be poured. Once the concrete is poured, it will take a few hours to harden. So it'll stay soft for a little while, but then it will turn really hard like stone, like rocks. Honk! The delivery truck arrives, stacked high with things the builders will need. How many wheels can you count? Will you help me count the wheels? Let's start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels. Big trucks often need lots of wheels to support all the weight they carry. Boy, there's a lot of stuff on that truck. We've got some bricks and some insulation and some wood. There's a lot of stuff on that truck. Clank, the crane is used to lift heavy things and move them to the right spot. The long arm is called a boom. Beep, beep, beep. This little forklift can lift and move big boxes. It's called a forklift because of the steel forks that slide underneath heavy objects. And it just picks them right up. My pages are stuck together. There we go. Vroom! Dirt flies as the trencher digs pits for pipes and cables that will go underground. The trencher has sharp teeth that work together to break up the hard ground. Woo, woo! The whistle blows and the day is done, but the construction workers and their big machines will be back in the morning. So, which one was your very favorite truck? Did you like the dump truck? The excavator? Or the cement mixer best? Right. Thanks for listening, guys. See you next week. Bye-bye.